What are the steps involved in transferring money from Cash App to PayPal?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many people often find confusing: transferring money from Cash App to PayPal. Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you cannot directly transfer money between these two platforms. However, don't worry, there's a workaround that we'll explore today by going through a bank account or a debit card.
What will you need?
To carry out this process, you're going to need the following: an active Cash App account with funds available, an active PayPal account, a linked bank account or debit card to both platforms.
How to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account?
The first part of this process is to transfer money from your Cash App to your linked bank account. Here are the steps. 1. Open your Cash App. 2. Tap on the Balance tab on your Cash App home screen. 3. Press Cash Out. 4. Choose the amount you want to send to your bank and then press Cash Out again. 5. Choose the speed of the deposit. It can be instant for a small fee or standard, which might take 1 to 3 business days without any fee. 6. Once done, the selected amount will be transferred to your bank account.
How to transfer money from your bank account to PayPal?
After the funds have landed in your bank account, the next step is to transfer that money to your PayPal account. Here are the steps. 1. Open your PayPal app. 2. Select More on the bottom of the home screen. 3. Select Add Money. 4. Choose the bank account you'd like to transfer funds from. 5. Enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal account, then click Next. 6. Review your request and click Add Money. And voila! You have successfully transferred your money from Cash App to PayPal via your bank account. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to transferring your money from Cash App to PayPal using a bank account or debit card as an intermediary. This process may seem a little long, but it's currently the best workaround available. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to double-check every transaction to ensure your money is going where you want it to go. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring!